Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Whether you've reached the top or are on your way there, this is the premium sport utility vehicle for you. It doesn't just seat 5, it coddles them with hand-fitted upholstery. It doesn't just have over 80 cubic feet of cargo space, it has a power liftgate. It doesn't just have safety features like LED daytime running lamps, it has attention assist, crosswind assist, and trailer stability assist. With dynamic select, agility control suspension, and the 7G automatic transmission with shift paddles helping you enjoy the drive, the power sunroof is just the icing on the cake. Embrace turns your smartphone into a remote control for your GLE, and the 8-inch high-resolution color touchscreen turns your car into an extension of your smartphone. Go ahead and indulge yourself. Test drive this GLE today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.